Applying conditional statements on lists stored in Dataframe cell. I would like to create a column that is the result of Boolean logic of list stored in other column. Desired output I want is a new call, df, sectors, that is a true or false list. For values in df, sec, list is greater than 8 million. Is it better to make df, sec, a list or np.array for performance? My end goals is to analyze sequential orders of values meeting conditions. Is there a better way to perform such analysis than making lists in Dataframe? Example framework of what I was trying to apply to each row. Not my code. Where original underscore prices list is replaced with row list, df, sec, and prices is new call df, sectors. Getting errors because of list format. Help would be much appreciated.
You can use the normal is greater than operator and then use ag or apply to get the desired output. Example.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.